Point Cook, good morning. Good morning, boys. How are you, buddy?
Yeah, very good, gentlemen. Very good. Enjoying your program. Just listening to that great Carlton supporter before, Margaret Lover. Come on, bit harsh on Tipper, though.
Yeah, I thought it was
Big fat bubba. Come on.
A little bit harsh, yeah.
Better than that. You're better than that, Margaret. But listen, I like her because she's a part of the fraternity.
Family.
But
Family,
just a quick, family. Family, correct. Just a quick one. Now, I want you guys a very big sort of moody. Hang on,
Approaching railway crossing.
being off the record.
I'll make sure I get it by train. Yeah, just a quick one. So,
Take it easy.
I want to get it out there. Now, we need a ruckman at Carlton, right? Why can't we get Brady Grundy from Melbourne and trade Harry McKay? Come on, Hutchie, you said the other day on...
I batted this up the other day.
Did you?
Yeah, you did. You brought it up. I watched it, and I 100% agree with you. Can we get it out there? We don't need him.
Oh, I think he's handy for you, Harry. I think he's having two big boys up there.
He's a great player. I've never ever thrown shade on him as a player.
Well, Melbourne won't be tipping in. I can tell you that right now. Melbourne aren't tipping in for Gawn to play anywhere else. They're just not. So you have to come up with a chart for Grundy's contract yourself.
But that'll be messy. But surely that gets done. Like if he and
He's leaving the club, you mean?
he and his team picked the wrong club to go to.
We thought that at the time.
It's as simple as that.
There were two that we said at the end of last year that didn't make any sense. One was Brady Grundy to Melbourne.
Yep.
Two, Rory Lobb to the Bulldogs.
Yep.
Neither of them seem to make any sense.
Both made bad choices.
And they've made bad choices. And you've got to live with bad choices, but you can
That's
move on and do something about it.
You can go again. That's all right. It'll happen.
I wouldn't be moving Mackay on, personally. I wouldn't. Anyway, thanks,
Shoots in
Glenn.
Perth.